everyone. I'm Kavisha Degaduru from Connex Information Technologies. We have a special guest today from MOTA Data. He's the Territory Sales Manager, Bhaskar. Hi, Bhaskar.
Hi, Kavisha.
Welcome to Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
So, Bhaskar, could you provide us with a concise overview of what MOTA Data is?
Sure. So, MOTA Data is into this IT operations domain for more than a decade. So, we provide the entire infrastructure monitoring in a unified way. So, when we talk about infrastructure monitoring, be it any kind of a network devices, be it any kind of a server, application, database, or in that matter, any cloud environment also. So, the entire landscape, irrespective of an infrastructure type, irrespective of a vendor type, we provide everything in a single console. And it's not just ends here. The entire log monitoring, the traffic flow, traffic insights, bandwidth monitoring, even the network configurations management that we provide in a single console. Along with the network monitoring, or what we called as per the new terminology, considering the AI coming into the picture, AI ops, where we just don't do the reactive monitoring, we also do the proactive monitoring. Along with that, we do have this ITIL compliant IT service management platform, where right after streamlining the services, be it a chatbot, the service desk, the entire incident, problem, change management, entire landscape based on the ITIL processes we provide. Along with the service desk, yes, of course, asset management that is there. The entire streamlining, entire life cycle management of assets right after the procurement to the retirement that we also do. And we are glad to share that we are first one in the industry to provide the patch management in the single platform of an IT service management. So service desk, asset and the patch in a single platform we provide here.
Also, how does MOTA Data differentiate itself in the market compared to its competitors?
I'm glad that you asked this question actually. So when we talk about the differentiation, so we have always this belief in the uniformity, or I would rather say the unified dashboards. And it also reflects in the branding, the features and the licensing also. If we talk about the MOTA Data, we believe in every event counts. So every event, log, metric, flow, which is happening in the infrastructure, we track that. And irrespective of a device type, so we are in terms of a technology, we believe in being a technology partner to our customers. So it's not about the current infrastructure need that they may have, but in future also if something comes up, we are agile enough to have that, support of the entire infrastructure monitoring next. And when it comes to the differentiation, of course, I would like to share that way before this ChatGPT comes into the trending, we had that beautiful feature, if you, of course, it comes with the pre-configured dashboards, reports, those are unlimited. But today, for an example, you want to say, okay, Kavisha, I want to have the server dashboard, what is the current status of my server? You just write it and it pops up with the beautiful dashboards. Even in the ITSM space, be it a licensing in terms of a concurrent technicians, be it a patch management, be it an asset management with a few features which is very unique to the MOTA Data.
Additionally, could you share any customer success stories and recent implementations that stood out?
Definitely. The top of mind which comes the recent implementation that our professional services team did for one of the largest bank in India. So where actually they were using the multiple tools. When we talk about the infrastructure space, the NMS, or we talk about the IT service management. So they were using the multiple tools in the monitoring space for the log, for the flow, and even the ticketing. So we streamlined with the MOTA Data the entire product suite with the monitoring, with the service desk, the ticketing part. I'll explain how. So for an example, if server goes down, the alert would be generated. Now that alert would be creating a ticket in the IT service management. And again, based on our AI workflows, it would be assigned to the right engineers. Once this resolution has come, it will again come back to the monitoring solution and the entire automation that can drive. With the help of a MOTA Data, they would be able to reduce their MTTR by 50%. And I'm not talking about AI in place. It's just the consolidation of tool. With the help of our unified tools, they would be able to achieve that. Now in a phase 2, well, our professional services team will consult based on those AI algorithms. Again, this MTTR would be reduced drastically.
Thank you for providing us with those insights, Bhaskar. So as we conclude, can you give us some advice for the current and future partners?
Definitely. So when it comes to MOTA Data, we also believe in the channel partner ecosystem. So when we believe in the channel partner ecosystem, we believe in growing together. So whether it comes to the product innovation, we are among the best software companies who has their own database in the entire globe. So in terms of a product innovation, in terms of a channel sales enablement, or in terms of a best value proposition to the end customer. And now I'm confident with MOTA Data and Connex partnership in place, definitely we have a long way to go in the Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Bhaskar, for all the information. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the stay in Sri Lanka.
Thank you. Thanks, Kaisha.